Hello dear students, today we'll see some questions from exercise 2.4 chapter 2 linear equations. So question number 1, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number chosen by Amina is x. I have taken it as x. So what actually the question is asking, the question asks that what number Amina is thinking of, right? And what she's doing, she's subtracting 5 by 2 from that number, and she's also multiplying 8 by the result. Okay, by that result, by subtracting 5 by 2, then she's multiplying it by 8. So now what the result she is obtaining is 3 times, that means 3 multiplied by the same number she thought of. She's thinking of some number, we don't know what she's thinking, so some number. All right, so 3 multiplied by some number is her result. Okay, so what is the number? Okay, we have to find this number. What is the number? So let the number be x, and now in the second step, what she was doing, she was subtracting 5 by 2. So right here I have also subtracted 5 by 2 from the number x. And what is x? I have told you that she is thinking of some number, and that number, let us say we are assuming that that number is x. So now next she multiplies this result by 8. So here it is. The result obtained is 3 multiplied by x. I told you here also. So 3 multiplied by x, because I have taken that number as x. Now see, we can now equate these two equations. Okay, why? Because this is the operation she was doing, and out of this operation she is getting this result. So that means this is equals to, like, you can take an example, like if I'm saying that I'm multiplying 2 by 2 and I'm getting a result 4. So I'm equating it now, that 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So same thing I have done here. Okay, so now see here, 3x is here, and here the x is enclosed in a bracket with minus 5 by 2. So here we will use distributive property. You know what is distributive property. So 8x minus 40 by 2, or say 20, is equals to, why 20? Like this, is equals to 3x. So 8x minus 3x, why 3x here? Because I have transposed 3x to the left hand side, is equals to 20, and I have transposed this minus 20 to the right hand side, so it will become plus of 20. Then 5x is equals to 20, that is x equals to 20 by 5, and 5 ones is 5 and 5 fours is 20. So x, the value of x we are getting is 4, and this is what we had to find. The number chosen by Amina is 4. This is our answer. Next question is question number 3. The sum of digits of a 2-digit number. Note this, 2-digit number, and the sum the question is talking about is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So here we need to find what is the 2-digit number. All right, so you know what a 2-digit number is composed of. It is composed of ones and tens. So I have written here ones and tens, and I have made 2 blanks because this is what we need to find. Now the question says that this sum of 2-digit number is 9. That means let us take an example of 225. All right, so I'm saying that the sum of these 2-digit number is 7. So yes, 2 plus 5 is 7, right? In that way the question is saying that these 2-digit sum is 9. So there is some number whose sum is 9. So what is the so next it says that when we interchange the digits, now this is important. Now what the question is doing, question is now interchanging the places. Like we had ones here and tens here. Now ones wala digit will be this side and tens wala digit will be this side. Okay, now so found that the resulting new number, so this is the new number, this was the original that we need to find out, है ना, and this is the new number. So the new number is greater than the original number. New number is greater than the original number. Please note this. New number is greater than the original number. Okay, I'm repeating this, that new number is greater than the original number. That means I can write original number added by 27, or you can say that the difference of original number and the new number is 27, right? Like, you can again take an example. If say you are two siblings, you are two brothers, and I say that one brother is 5 years greater than the other. 5 years greater than the other. That means you both brothers are having a gap of 5 years, right? Or this may be said like this, that your younger brother is your sorry yeah younger, if you'll add younger brother's age with 5, you'll get elder brother's age, right? You can take it like this, or you can take it like this, whichever you feel easy with. So this is what is this question is saying over here. So I what I mean to say is, like, you can take this equation also, or you can take this equation also. In solving this, the one you can see in the whiteboard, I have taken this equation, all right, that I'm taking it as a difference. So now interchanging the numbers, I am getting this. Now you can see that what is this 10x and 9 minus x? What is this? Okay, now let me explain this to you. This will be a little tricky question for you actually, na? So we'll understand it. It may take a little time. See, I told you that I have taken two digits of this two-digit number, and the sum is 9. I'm taking one digit as x added by another digit I don't know is equals to 9. Now that means, what is this digit? I can write this digit as 9 minus x. I can take this x to this side, so it will become minus. So I can say that one digit is x and another digit is 9 minus x. So these are the two digits that I have got since now, okay, for my original number. But this is not a number, these are just the digits that I got. Now for the number, what I will do is, I will multiply 10 and x plus 9 minus x. Why? See, because again, let us take an example. I took 25 now, so let us take an example of 25 only. Say this 25, if I want to expand this number, how will I expand? This will become 20 plus 5. I can write it like this. Now, alright, now if I want to expand this 20, then what I will do, I will write it as 2 multiplied by 10, and then what is left, plus 5. Fine, this is understood. 2 multiplied by 10 plus 5 is same as 25. Therefore, here you can see that ones place has been multiplied by 10. Adding is followed by the ones digit. 10's digit is multiplied by 10, and ones digit is, you can say, multiplied by 1 or plus. See, this, that is why we call it ones digit, because we are multiplying it by ones. That is why we call it 10 digit, because we are multiplying it by 10, then 100, then 1000, and it follows, right? So this is the only reason we are doing this. So that is why I'm saying it might be little tricky, but it's very simple. You know how to expand a number. That is what we are doing over here. So see, I took it in tens place, let us say. Okay, this is tens, this is ones. I took this in tens place, so I'll multiply it by 10. And this is in ones place, so I'll multiply it by ones. And multiplying something by 1 is the same number. Okay, so therefore I'm getting Therefore, I'm getting 10 into x plus 9 minus x as my original number. Fine. Now interchanging the digits. Now this 9 minus x is in tens place and x is in ones place. So this should be multiplied by 10, this should be multiplied by 1, and they should be added, right? So this is the new number. See, interchanging the digits, I'm getting new number. Now I told you that I'm taking the difference as 27, so I've taken their difference over here, and that is 27. You know how to solve this. You need to solve the bracket first. Now this will become 90 minus 10x plus x, then minus 10x minus, see this is inside bracket, and when I'll open the bracket, plus minus will become minus and minus minus will become plus. And when you'll solve this, when you'll transpose x, when you'll collect x, and when you'll solve this, you'll get the value of x as 3. Now this x is the only one digit that we got, but what about the original number? We need to find the original number, right? So see, what you can do is you can subtract 9 minus x for second digit. So 9 minus 3 will become 6. So one number is 3, second number is 6. So this will be 36, or else what you can do is you can put this 3 in the original equation here in this equation. So this will become 10 into 3 plus 9 minus 3, and answer is 36. This is the question. This much is the question. You may find it tricky, but it's very simple. You can take an example of expanding. It's actually expanding number. Now question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. We need to find the present ages of grandfather and granddaughter. So let the age of granddaughter be x. Now see here, grandfather and granddaughter. Obviously, you know, grandfather is older than the granddaughter, and it has been told that grandfather is 10 times the granddaughter, and we don't know how much granddaughter's age is, so I'm letting it as x. So therefore the grandfather's age will be 10 into x. Now further it is said that he's also 54 years older than her. That means grandfather is 54 years older than her, and hers age is x. So this will become 54 plus x. So now see, this and this is equal because it is, see what happened is grandfather's age has been compared with the granddaughter's age. So we have been getting in 10 into x as one expression, and 54 plus x as another expression. So we can equate these two equations since they both are grandfather's age. So what we are doing is like this, 10x is equals to x plus 54, and from here we'll find the value of x. Now see, this x can be transposed to the left hand side, so it will become 9x equals to 54. So x will become 54 by 9, that is 6. So grandfather's age will be, it was 10 into x, right? Or see, you can put it here also, you can put it here also, any of these. So I'm putting it in 10x, so 10 into 6 is 60 years. The age of granddaughter is 6 years and of grandfather is 60 years.